कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. With my body, my speech, my mind or my sense organs, through my intellect, my sense of self or my natural tendencies, whatever actions I perform, all of it is towards the Supreme Being. By saying Narayanaya, I submit my offering. Om Namo Narayanaaya. विष्णोर्वीर्याणि को वा कथयतु धरणे कश्चरेणुन्मिमीते यस्यैवाङ्घ्रित्रयेण त्रिजगदभिमितं मोदते पूर्णसम्पत्. योऽसौ विश्वानि धत्ते प्रियमिह परमं धाम तस्याभियायां त्वद्भक्ता यत्र माद्यन्त्यमृतरसमरन्दस्य यत्र प्रवाहः. Who can recount the glories of Lord Vishnu, and who can count the grains of sand on this earth, by whose 3 steps the 3 worlds were measured and were then overjoyed, filled with prosperity? The one who sustains all the worlds. May I attain to the ultimate abode of His that is dear to me, where your devotees rejoice, where flows a torrent of immortal nectar. आद्यायाशेषकर्त्रे प्रतिनिमिष नवीनाय भर्त्रे विभूते भक्तात्मा विष्णवेय प्रदिशति हविरादीनि यज्ञार्चनादौ. कृष्णाद्यञ्जन्म यो वा महदिह महतो वर्णयेत् सोऽयमेव प्रीतः पूर्णो यशोभेस्त्वरितमभिसरेत् प्राप्यमन्ते पदन्ते. To the primordial one who is the creator of everything, to the one who is ever new at each moment, who sustains exalted states of being, to that Lord Vishnu, the one who is devoted, offers homas, yajnas and other such offerings. The one who describes your greatest incarnations like Krishna and others, such a person alone is joyful, is fulfilled, relishes great renown quickly, and finally attains to your abode. He stotarah kavīndrastamiha khalu yatha chetayadve tathaiva vyaktam vedasya saram प्रणुवत जननोपात्तलीला कथाभिः. जानन्तश्चास्य नामान्यखिलसुखकराणीति सङ्कीर्तयध्वम्. हे विष्णु कीर्तनाद्यैस्तव खलु महतस्तत्त्वबोधं भजेयम्. O great poets who compose hymns, don't you, in whichever sense you realize him, in that sense you put forth that essence of the Vedas through the stories of birth and activities, realizing that his names bestow all sorts of well-being. Sing forth, O Vishnu, through chants and other hymns, won't I certainly realize your glories and ultimately your true nature. Vishnu karmani sampashyata manasi sada yais dharmana badhnad व्यानीन्द्रस्यैष भृत्य प्रियसख इव च व्यातनोत्क्षेमकारी वीक्षन्ते योगसिद्धा परपदमनिशं यस्य सम्यक् प्रकाशं विप्रेन्द्रा जागरूका कृतबहुनुतयो यच्च निर्भासयन्ते. Constantly perceive the actions of Vishnu in the mind, through which he binds one in dharma, which actions, like those of a servant and of a well-wisher, always caused well-being to Indra. The ones established in yoga constantly perceive that ultimate abode of whose, which shines forth clearly, that abode which is described by the pious ones and the enlightened beings through their various words of praise. No jato jayamanopi cha samadhigatastvanmahimno vasanam devashreyansi vidvan pratimuhurapite nama shansami Vishnu. Tantvan sanstaumi nanavidhanuti vachanairasya lokatrayasya-pyurdhvam vibhrajamane virachita vasatim tatra vaikuntha loke. Neither the ones who have been so far or the ones who ever will be shall realize your glories completely. O Lord, realizing that they cause well-being, I shall chant your names at every moment, O Vishnu. To that you, I offer my prayers through various words of praise, to you who lives beyond the three worlds, resplendent, above, in your abode of Vaikuntha Loka. Apasrishtyadijanya Prathamamayi vibho Garbhadeshe dadhustvam Yatra tvayeva jiva Jalashayana hare Sangata aikyamapan Tasyajasya prabhote Vinihitamabhavat Padmamekam hi nabho Dikpatranyat kilaho Kanakadharani bhrit Karnikan loka rupam. Water came into existence in the beginning of creation, O Vibhu, and held you within itself, where within you yourself all creation found unity, O Lord who reclines in the ocean. To that birthless you, O Lord, a lotus appeared at your navel, whose petals are said to be the directions, and a golden mountain at its center is of the form of creation. He loka Vishnuretad bhuvanamajanayat tanna janitha yuyam Yushmakam yantarastham kimapi tadaparam vidyate Vishnu rupam. Nihara prakhyamaya parivrta manaso mohita nama rupaye prana prityeka triptascharatha makhapara Hantanecha mukunde. O worlds, Lord Vishnu gave birth to this entire creation, but you do not realize it. And within all of you too exists an aspect of that Vishnu of the beyond. With your minds enveloped by the fog of Maya, you are deluded by shapes and forms, content by the mere fulfillments of life, engaged in yajnas. Alas, you do not desire the one who grants liberation from them. मूर्ध्नामक्ष्णां पदानां वहसि खलु सहस्राणि सम्पूर्य विश्वं तत्प्रोत्क्रम्यापि तिष्ठन् परिमितविवरे भासि चित्तान्तरेऽपि भूतं भव्यं च सर्वं परपुरुष भवान् किञ्च देहेन्द्रियादिष्वाविष्टोऽप्युद्गतत्वादमृतसुखरसञ्चानुभुङ्क्षे त्वमेव. Isn't he the one who sustains, taking on thousands of heads, eyes and feet, filling up the universe? Transcending all of that physical creation, he resides again in a limited form within Chitta. Everything that has been and is yet to be, O Supreme One, is you. What else, in the physical body and in the senses, you alone reside, but still, beyond all that, it is you alone who relishes the immortal bliss of liberation. Yattu trailokya rupam dadhadapi cha tato nirgato nanta shuddha jnanatma vartase tvam tava khalu mahima sopi tavan kimanyat stokaste bhaga evakhila bhuvanataya दृश्यते त्र्यंशकल्पं भूयिष्ठं सान्द्रमोदात्मकमुपरि ततो भाति तस्मै नमस्ते. Despite taking on the form of the three worlds, rising above it, as the infinitely pure self of true knowledge, you exist. Your glory is such that what else? It is only a minute part of yours that is seen as all the worlds in their threefold divisions. The major part of it, though, on top of physical existence, is of the nature of intense bliss. To that you I bow down. Avyaktan swarupam duradhigamatamam tattu shuddhaika sattvam vyaktanchapyetadeva स्फुटममृतरसाम्भोधिकल्लोलतुल्यम् सर्वोत्कृष्टामभीष्टां तदिह गुणरसेनैव चित्तं हरन्तीं मूर्तिं ते संश्रयेऽहं पवनपुरपते पाहि मां कृष्णरोगात्. Your form is undefinable, extremely hard to realize, and is of the nature of pure sattva. It is also very clear that it is of the nature of turbulent raptures of the waves of the ocean of nectar. That form which is the most exalted, most desired, and which steals the mind through its attributes itself, in that form of yours I seek refuge, O Lord of the city of wind. O Krishna, save me from disease.